What's up, YouTube? Alright, finally back in the studio here, finally getting everything back to work. It's been, just so freaking busy with other things. So, as you can tell from the last videos, we moved the Prusas, we moved everything to the basement. So we've got finally got our own room to do everything in. And now it's time to print. So we've got both of our Prusas going through calibration tests. Anytime you move your printers, you want to recalibrate them, just make sure nothing's shuffled around. Especially these, they're heavy as hell and just kind of awkward to move. So I want to make sure we got everything back where it needed to go. Bamboo, this thing fired right up. This thing's a champ. No issues. I don't even think we recalibrated this one yet. We've just been printing a couple things with it, but it's working great. But with the holiday season, we needed to get these back up because our Etsy shop pretty much pays for these things over the course of a couple of months. So we need them running and functioning. Looks like this one's done. Beautiful. And yeah, so Etsy shop is already kicked off, and we got a bunch of orders we're behind on, so we need to get those going. Still got to figure out where to put the rest of the filament here. We did get our big rack assembled and as color coordinated as I can do. We still have the little rack over here that's kind of holding our Doom Guy helmet and Mega Man. And of course our box of prints that are still waiting on other parts, but we needed to print other things before we could finish them, so that's our to-do box of prints. But yeah, feels good to finally be back in the studio, getting some things going, getting everything printed. We did buy an Xtool. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that little CNC machine. We're excited to see how that works and what it can do. I'm sorry, the one that already came in is the laser engraving machine, not the CNC. CNC machine is next on the list. We're excited to showcase both of those in the upcoming videos. We've done some things with the Xtool already that are pretty sick, honestly. I'm excited to show them off. But this is where we have been at for the last couple of days, getting everything cleaned up in here, getting it all semi-organized. I mean, we still have some totes of printer junk we need to move. You get my kids' Nerf guns out of here. And yeah, that's kind of where we're at. All right, thanks for checking in, guys.